Welcome! In front of me I have Mobvoi TicWatch GTH, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. And one of them should look like this moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. It will say, as you can see at the top, it will say Do Not Disturb mode on. And the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel again. Tap on the icon, it will say Do Not Disturb mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.